how's the most motivated family doing on YouTube, baby? I'm recording another video today. This is like 3 in a week. I got a lot of videos recorded. I can't wait to drop this stuff. But guess what? Today's video is about how to identify how do you start creating a side hustle to create some extra cash on the side. And why am I recording this today? It's because I'm recording footage for a buddy of mine that's really into fitness, right? So guess what? You offer value to them because, like I said in a previous video, everything revolves around value. And it's so true. So I know how to video edit now because of YouTube. I know how to illustrate. I know how to graphic design. I know all this stuff. So what do? I offer that service to people in that need. So for example, for my buddy Reese, which is also my chief marketer of TSM, I could charge him $15 per video I create, or I'd say offer him $50 for 4 possible videos created in a whole month and keep that reoccurring income. But basically what I'm getting to, how do you identify one, is basically you just have to figure out what you're good at, what's something that you can do that not many people can do and is valuable to somebody somehow. Like, say you're really good at, you like reading books, you can get paid for book reviews. Say you like to sleep, you can get paid for testing out mattresses. There's so many ways to find a side hustle. Mine is just graphic design and photo editing, which I'm about to head to a job right now. I'm creating a commercial for this company called Professor Bob Beans. If I do this right, soon you guys will know what that is. But I'm about to head to that right now. And I just wanted to make a quick video to explain to you guys it's that easy. It's like 3 simple steps. First of all, you need to identify what you're really good at, what you can do really quickly. Identify your consumer. Who are you, like, people that you come in contact with often? Are they gonna be here? Are they gonna want your product per se? Are you gonna be able to offer your service all the time as a side hustle outside of a clock in, clock out kind of job? And 3 is just execution, finding the time in your life to do these little side hustles, me editing a video for people, for influencers, things like that, and executing on them. But with that quick video said and done, I hope you guys have an amazing freaking day, and as always, keep grinding and keep freaking— wait. Before I go, before you go, I want to start this thing with my viewers so I can get to know you guys better. So, here's a question of the day, question of this video. Do you guys like rain? Because I'm stuck in traffic because of this rain, but I freaking love rain because, like, I sleep well in it. I like it's cold. That's my kind of weather. I just like it. I like rain. It's like one of my favorite weathers. I don't know how to say that. But you guys leave that down in the comment section below. I want to know you guys a little bit better. Question of the day. Do you guys like rain? Now, keep grinding and keep growing. I love you guys.